Hello everyone, this is Providencia. Welcome to my channel. I am going to make a papaya drink. The first time I've ever had it was when I was in DR. I'm not a really big fan of like papayas and stuff like that, but I did have it in DR and it was very delicious. So I am going to make it today. Actually, my husband helped me to put all the ingredients together because he knows how to make a lot of like drinks, you know, from scratch basically. So he's the one that gave me the recipe, so I am gonna do it for you guys. First, what we're gonna need is a blender. I don't have a blender. I gave my blender to my older son, so that's out of the question. But I do have this Ninja that my mother gave me, and it's for smoothies and drinks. It comes different sizes, and this is the way it looks, okay? Also, we're gonna need some vanilla. I know you see a Folgers container here. No, it's no coffee in here. I store my sugar in here. The majority of Latin people, we save these type of stuff and we store our own stuff. Sugar, coffee, leftover food to give to someone to take home. That's how we do. But yes, this is sugar right here, so we're gonna need sugar. We're also gonna need a can of evaporated milk, whichever one that you want to buy. It doesn't matter the name brand, but that's the one that I had in my pantry, the carnation one, so we're gonna use that. I also just bought this in the store. I got some ice here. I got 4 of these. All right, I'm just showing you an example. I don't know how much ice we're gonna be using, but this is just an example. We're gonna need ice. I also have a cup of milk, about a cup like this, like a cup that you use, you know, to drink your coffee. I like a big cup of coffee, so this is what I'm using right here. You're gonna need a jug like this. I'm hoping all the juice, you know, could fit in there once I finish like blending it and all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to give you guys measurement, but I want to mention something about that in a minute. Give me a minute. Let me just show you all the ingredients. Also, this is the papaya. I already peeled them, cut them, removed the seeds, everything. Usually I do that all on camera, but my kids was in here and I couldn't record. But I do have another one. This is the way it looks. And I know it looks beat up, all right? You want to make sure that it's ripe. Touch it, make sure it's nice and soft. And that's when you know that it's ripe. When I had bought these, this was actually like very green. I had to, you know, put it aside to let it ripe. This one I'm gonna do tomorrow, but I'm just showing you an example. This is how it looks, okay? This is how it looks, papaya. I just removed the inside of the seeds. I cut the you know, the skin off. I cut them like this, and that's how you want to do it, okay? The more ripe, the sweeter, the better. It's very good. I'm gonna do all of this and I'm gonna try to measure it, but I have to explain to you guys that it all depends how much sugar you want in your drink. I'm gonna add to my liking how much sugar I think is okay for my family. You just taste as you go. All right, so I just want to mention that because, you know, some people may like their drinks very sweet, in the middle, or not too sweet. It all depends on you. But I'm still going to measure my sugar for you could know how I did mine, okay? I'm going to try to do mine maybe a little sweet, you know? Not too sweet, but a little sweet. Sorry, a call went through. But I forgot where I was at. So I am going to add ice. And, you know, with ice and the drink, you know, it'll kind of dissolve the sugar a little bit. And, yeah. I'm still gonna tell you how much sugar I put in mine. Also, another thing, it is good that you use a blender, because with a blender you could just put everything in there, thrown in there all together. I'm gonna try to do it separately because I don't got a blender, but it will be best if you use this with a blender. I'm gonna do it separately for you could see how I'm doing it, but now you know, okay? So let's go and show you this delicious drink. Okay, so my hands are washed. I'm gonna put this filled with like half of the papaya because we want to add ice and stuff to it. So we're gonna add at least it's like half, or at least a little less than half. Like I said, if you have a blender, I think it'll be better. I'm gonna use that amount, and then we're gonna add some ice. Okay, and my hands are clean, so Okay, so I added a little bit of ice. Also, we're gonna add a little bit of carnation milk. This is how much is left because I think we're gonna do this in 3 batches, okay? We're gonna add milk. And then we're gonna add some sugar. I'm gonna start off with a 1/2 cup of sugar, okay? Sorry you hear a lot of noise. This is metal. A 1/2 cup of sugar. And you want to add at least a little bit of vanilla. Let's just say like a capful. Just a little bit. Like that much, okay? We're going to put the top on and we're going to blend away. Okay, so now we're gonna take it out. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I was gonna make this cup so beautiful. I had bought some nice, beautiful freaking umbrellas from the Dollar Tree. And I can't find it nowhere. I think my granddaughter, I don't know what she did to it, you know? Oh my God, yes. From this point on, I'm gonna speed it up. If I have to add a caption to something I did different, I'll definitely let you guys know. You guys know I'm very detailed in videos, so let's go. Supposed to add just a pinch of salt. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry. Like just a little pinch, all right? That's all you need for the whole recipe. This is just to bring out all that nice sweetness and, you know, all the flavors together. I am so sorry, you guys, but let's resume. Okay, you guys, so here is the drink. Look at how beautiful that is. And oh my god, it tastes so good. Now I put it in a fancy cup, but you can drink it out of any cup. It don't make a difference as long as you're having some. This is how much we made. Okay, it's a little thick, but it's up to you. Like my husband says, you don't need to add ice. You could just drink it like that. Put it in the refrigerator, make sure it gets nice and chilled, and then you could drink it without the ice because we already added some ice. Me personally, this is how I like it, you know, with some nice ice, you know, to just water it down a little bit. I did put a lemon. You don't have to add it. I just wanted to make my cup look a little pretty because you guys know I had a nice umbrella I was gonna add. I couldn't find it because my granddaughter probably put it somewhere, I don't know where. So this is the drink. Nice, beautiful summer drink. Please make this in your house. It's very simple and it's quick. And like I said, the ice is optional. If you want to add it after you pour it in a cup, you can do that. If you want to leave it as is, leave it as is. Me personally, this is how I like it. Also, I want to let you guys know that I'm about to do a come cook with me video. I'm making like some pork chop stew, white rice, pink beans, not potato salad, macaroni salad. I'm just gonna show you guys me cooking, and if I have to add captions, like, you know, the ingredients, I'm definitely gonna do that, but I'm gonna do another video right after this one. So I hope you guys watch it. Take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I never make promises.